Doctor reveals, just add cinnamon to cucumber peel, and the results might shock you. Before we start, a quick question. Do you struggle with high blood sugar that just won't go down? Do you deal with unstable blood pressure? Or maybe you've tried everything to lose weight, but nothing seems to work. If that sounds like you, then this simple natural recipe might surprise you. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most ignored kitchen remedies that's getting attention for its powerful effects. And the best part? You already have these ingredients at home. Let's break this down step by step. First, take 2 cucumber peels. Try to use fresh cucumbers with a darker green, slightly thicker peel. Why? Because that outer layer is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and plant compounds that most people throw away without realizing their value. Cucumber peel contains flavonoids and natural compounds that help reduce inflammation, support blood sugar balance, and improve overall circulation. It also acts as a mild natural diuretic, helping your body flush out excess sodium, which can support healthy blood pressure. Now let's add the next ingredient, cinnamon. Take half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. This is important. Ceylon cinnamon is considered safer for regular use compared to common cassia cinnamon. Cinnamon is widely known for helping regulate blood sugar levels. Next, add 3 bay leaves. These are often overlooked, but they contain compounds that may help improve circulation and reduce hidden inflammation inside the body. Now add a small handful of whole cloves. Don't use powdered cloves. Whole cloves are richer in natural oils. Cloves contain eugenol, a powerful antioxidant that may support blood sugar balance and overall health. Now that all your ingredients are ready, mix them together in a saucepan. Add about 500 milliliters of water. Place it on the stove and bring it to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for around 8 minutes. This allows the natural compounds to slowly release into the water. After that, turn off the heat and cover the pot. Let it sit for another 5 minutes. This step is important because it helps preserve the essential oils and nutrients. Now strain the liquid into a glass. What you're left with is a warm herbal drink made from simple kitchen ingredients. You can drink this once a day, preferably in the morning while it's still warm. Now let's be clear about something important. This is a natural home remedy, not a replacement for medical treatment. If you are taking medication for diabetes, blood pressure, or any other condition, always consult your doctor before adding something new to your routine. Natural ingredients can support your health, but they should be used responsibly. That said, many people are now exploring simple, natural ways to support their bodies, and recipes like this are gaining attention because they're affordable, easy to make, and based on ingredients we already trust. Cucumber peel, which most people throw away, actually contains valuable nutrients that support hydration, digestion, and overall balance in the body. Combined with cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaves, it creates a powerful blend that may help support your wellness routine. Now I want to hear from you. Did you already know about the benefits of cucumber peel? Or is this completely new to you? Comment below. I'll try it if you're planning to make this at home. And if you know someone who struggles with blood sugar or blood pressure, share this video with them. It might help them discover something simple that they've never considered before. Come back after a few days and share your experience. Your story could inspire others. And don't forget, tomorrow, I'll show you another surprising natural combination you've probably never tried before. Make sure you follow so you don't miss it.